How to treat eye infection naturally. Your eyes can become infected by a variety of different viruses, fungi, and bacteria. Each contaminant causes different afflictions, but eye infections typically show signs of irritation or pain, redness or inflammation, fluid discharge, and reduced visual capabilities. Contaminants may infect one or both eyes, and may lead to loss of vision or blindness. The most common eye infections are conjunctivitis, stye, and allergy-related infections. If you experience pain or reduced vision, see a doctor immediately. If your infection is mild, there are a number of home remedies that can reduce the symptoms of your eye infection. Treating conjunctivitis. Understand what conjunctivitis is. Pink eye, or conjunctivitis, is highly infectious. The two main types of conjunctivitis are bacterial and viral, and both are typically spread by hand-to-eye contact or sharing contact items like pillows or eye makeup. Your doctor may prescribe antibiotics for bacterial conjunctivitis, but unfortunately, antibiotics will be useless in treating viral conjunctivitis. The virus simply has to run its course, which usually takes between 2 and 3 weeks. The best way to naturally treat pink eye is to treat the symptoms. This will lessen your discomfort and help you regain some control over how you feel. Viral conjunctivitis is typically caused by adenoviruses, picornaviruses, rubella, rubeola, and herpes viruses. Bacterial conjunctivitis is typically caused by Staphylococcus, Haemophilus, Streptococcus, and Moraxella. It is often spread by contact with fecal bacteria. Viral conjunctivitis is typically caused by adenoviruses, picornaviruses, rubella, rubeola, and herpes viruses. Bacterial conjunctivitis is typically caused by Staphylococcus, Haemophilus, Streptococcus, and Moraxella. It is often spread by contact with fecal bacteria. Identify symptoms of conjunctivitis. The most common side effects of conjunctivitis are redness, hence the name, pink eye, itchiness, discharge that forms a crust over the eyelids while sleeping, and a persistent feeling of grittiness or irritation. Apply a compress. Try cold and warm water compresses but not too hot to determine what works best for you. Run a clean washcloth or hand towel under the faucet. Start with cool water, as this is generally considered the most soothing option. Wring out the towel. Apply to the eye or eyes, depending on the extent of your conjunctivitis. Lie down and let the cold compress sit on your eyes for as long as necessary until the pain and irritation subside, re-wetting as needed. Use lubricating eye drops. Though over-the-counter eye drops won't treat the infection, they may help reduce redness and irritation. Follow the instructions for how often to apply lubricating eye drops. Wash your hands before and after touching the area around your eyes. Lie on your back before applying eye drops. Squeeze one drop at a time into the affected eye or eyes, close eyes immediately after application, and keep them closed for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Avoid wearing contact lenses. Contacts can trap conjunctivitis against the eyes and prolong the symptoms of this infection. Throw away any disposable contacts that have come in contact with infected eyes. Practice good hygiene. Anyone can get pink eye at any stage in life. It's nothing to be embarrassed about. The most important thing is preventing its spread, and preventing it from happening again. Wash your hands with soap and warm water often. This is especially important to do prior to touching your face or eyes. Do not share makeup products, washcloths, or face towels. Throw away any cosmetic items and disposable contact lenses that may have been infected. Wash any bedding that may have come in contact with your face during a conjunctivitis outbreak. Wash your hands with soap and warm water often. This is especially important to do prior to touching your face or eyes. Do not share makeup products, washcloths, or face towels. Throw away any cosmetic items and disposable contact lenses that may have been infected. Wash any bedding that may have come in contact with your face during a conjunctivitis outbreak. Ask your doctor about a course of antibiotics. If the infection is bacterial, your doctor may prescribe a round of antibiotics to help treat your conjunctivitis outbreak.